Hi everyone, welcome to day 3 of K&D Adventures in Fiji. Today we are doing a day tour with Captain Cook Cruises to Tivua Island. But first, let's hop into our minibus and head to Port Denarau. After checking in, we still have a bit time around, so let's explore the Marina itself. And of course, we have to check out how a local supermarket looks like. Wow, so expensive. After leaving the supermarket, we got a chance to explore the shops as well and look at all those Hawaiian shirts and some shark toys. There are also a few bakeries and restaurants and bars at the Marina. Well, it's boarding time, so let us head to our yacht. And wow, we actually got the chance to get on a tour ship. So let's get on board and enjoy a complimentary welcome juice. And after the welcoming ceremony and some amazing music, it's time to head out to the big blue world. And feel free to grab a drink or some snacks because it's going to be a 90-minute journey to our destination. Woohoo! We're the queen and the king of the world! And halfway through our journey, there's this kava ceremony where you got a chance to try up a crusted root water. And not long after, we have arrived at our destination, the private Tivua Islands. It's time to get off and enjoy half a day here. And wow, look at that water! It's crystal blue. Once we are on the island, it's time to head to our private cabanas. And after settling in, we decided to head to our first activity of the day, which is the glass bottom boat. And that's right, we're going to check out some coral reefs. After spending around half an hour with the marine biologists, we are now back to the island and we have decided to go down to the beach and enjoy those crystal blue water scenery. After getting some amazing photos at the beach, it's time for us to head back to our cabanas. And guess what? It's also time for lunch. So let us go line up and enjoy some live music and get our food. There are some salad, more salad, and more salad and salad. Oh, and fruits! There are also grilled chicken, fish and sausages. Soft drinks and alcoholic beverages are also provided. So let us go enjoy our lunch now. Cheers! And after lunch, it's time to do the best ever activity on the island, which we will take you over there now. That's right, we're going snorkelling. Alright, let's put on our gears and into the water we go. Wow, the water is actually quite warm and look at that! Can't believe we are checking out the coral reefs and those fishes under the water. Well, we can guarantee you we are having the best time ever, especially we get to hold our starfish in our hands. After spending 30 minutes to 45 minutes in the water, it's time for us to head back up. Say a huge thank you to our instructor, Abraham, return our gears because it's almost departure time. We honestly had the best time, but it's time for us to leave the island, get back to the ship, and make our way back to the main island. That's it for day 3. Thanks everyone!